I'm sorry. See these guys right here? I believe those are carrots. This is a weed. So what we need to do is thin these out. But we don't have any trowels today. It's starting to rain. I'm not gonna make you guys do this. But I think on Monday, I need to find like a senior or someone who has like a study hall who wouldn't mind coming out here. So Monday and Tuesday, if anyone wants to volunteer, we have study halls. Best thing we can do is kind of like a surgeon. You're just gonna go in with like scissors and like chop them off until there's just one that remains, and the rest will die, and the good one will proliferate.
Yeah, like right there and there. Yeah.
Are those part of the plant, or is that a different plant?
They seem to be merging.
I mean, like, yeah, maybe it's, yeah, maybe it's called.
See one here. Yeah, you know what? Maybe those are gonna be this. Although these things look like. You ever hear of microgreens? Microgreens are when you grow plants, but before they actually turn into like big plants, you actually chop that off. You can eat this stuff.
Oh.
Not bad. Fair enough. Okay. Microgreens. But the idea, we weren't growing these for microgreens. We were really trying to grow these to like get radishes and carrots. So I think this is going to be a nightmare, but if someone wants to take on this project of thinning this out, you know, that's what we have to do. I don't know how this ended up over here, but we have a whole patch over here. Again, this should be like 10 radishes, and there's about 200 of them right here.
What would happen if you let them?
I mean, we could see what happens. The thing, if you try to grow things that are so close together, they start taking on weird shapes. I mean, we could see what happens.
It's still food.
It's still food, but I think we should try to thin them out the best we can.
And then build up walls.
So like I said, I'll post something on Google Classroom, and then whoever wants to volunteer to thin these out, we can. All right. So I think that's going to be it for us today.